Einstein's special theory of relativity overturned Newton's assumption that space and time were fixed in some invisible ether that hovered in space. Einstein realized that everything is in motion, and that time and space are two parts of one whole, called space-time, unified by the constancy of the speed of light. Our motion through space affects our motion in time. In fact, time appears one way for a person traveling at high speeds, but to an observer outside that traveler's frame of reference, there is a noticeable difference. Here's an example. Imagine a non-moving spaceship, captained by Alpha, is passed by a spaceship traveling near the speed of light, captained by Beta. Beta then flips on his overhead light. Beta would see the light traveling straight down to the floor of his spaceship at a constant rate of 186,282 miles per second. But the light as seen by Alpha travels a greater distance. And yet, since the light still travels at the same constant rate, it takes longer for the light to reach the floor of Beta's spaceship when viewed by Alpha. So, as you can see, the speed of light is always constant, while motion through space affects time differently for the traveling Beta and the observing Alpha. This is the beginning of the end of absolute time. And since there's no such thing as absolute rest or absolute motion, time itself depends on where you are.